Worried your domain could be stolen? Learn how to lock it down with Namecheap's Domain Vault in under 5 minutes. So here's the thing. If you own a domain name, especially one that's valuable or tied to your business, the thought of someone hijacking it can keep you up at night. And standard domain locks are good, but they're not bulletproof. That's where Namecheap's Domain Vault comes in. It's their premium protection service, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find it, pick the right plan, and activate it for your domains. All right, let's start at the Namecheap homepage. Open up your browser and head over to namecheap.com. Nothing fancy here, just the main page where you'd normally search for domains. Now, look across the top navigation bar. You'll see a few different menu options. You want to hover over or click on Security. That's going to pull up a drop-down with all their safety-related services. Go ahead and click it. Once you're on the security page, you'll see a list of different protection tools. What we're after is the one called Domain Vault. It's usually listed alongside things like premium DNS and SSL certificates. Click on Domain Vault to open its dedicated page. Now, this is where it really starts. You'll see a button or a call to action that says Add Premium Protection for your domains. That's your entry point. Click that button and it'll take you to a page where you can actually sign up for the service. And here's the really important part. On this next page, you'll see a big button that says Get Domain Vault. Click that. Now you're going to be presented with two plan options, the Silver plan and the Titanium plan. Let's look at the Silver plan first. It's the more affordable option, and it covers the essentials, things like enhanced domain lock, transfer approval safeguards, and additional verification steps. I've tested this plan on several of my own domains, and it's a solid upgrade over the standard free lock that comes with every domain. But if you really want the maximum level of protection, take a look at the Titanium plan. This one adds things like multi-factor authentication for any changes and a dedicated support team that handles the security checks for you. So if you've got a domain that's high value or just really important for your brand, the Titanium plan is worth every penny. For this walkthrough, let's say you're ready to go. Click Buy Now on whichever plan fits your needs. This will take you to a page where you need to select which domain you want to protect. You'll see a drop-down menu listing all the domains you own with Namecheap. Choose the one that you want to lock down with Domain Vault. Once you've selected your domain, you'll need to confirm your choice. It might ask you to review the plan details and the price. Just check everything over, make sure the domain name is correct, and then hit that final confirmation button. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from a vulnerable domain at risk of theft to one secured with premium protection. I always recommend doing this for any domain you care about, whether it's a blog, an online store, or your main business site. It's a small step that gives you a lot of peace of mind. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. If you found it helpful, go ahead and lock down your own domains. I'll catch you in the next video.